Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today is 29th May 2021. In this video, we will discuss about the most important questions related to 29th May 2021. If you are new on my channel or didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Guillermo Lasso became the first right-wing president of Ecuador in 14 years. He won Ecuador's presidential elections 2021 with over 52% of votes against. Options are given here. The correct option is Andres Arauz. Apollo Group of Hospitals has announced that it will begin the rollout of the Russian COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V. What will be the price of a Sputnik V vaccine in India? What is the correct option? The correct option is rupees 1195. Nobel laureate Amartya Sen recently honored with which country's top Princess of Asturias Award in the social science category? The correct option is Spain. Who has been conferred with Energy Frontier Award 2020 for his research in renewable energy sources and energy storage? The correct option is C.N.R. Roy. Which nation will begin vaccinating children aged between 12 to 15 years old the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine from June 7? Options are France, Germany, UK, US. The correct option is Germany. Who has approved proposal to provide monetary assistance through direct benefit transfer to students under midday meal scheme? What is the correct option? The correct option is Union Education Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. The aerospace company SpaceX launched 60 Starlink broadband satellites with Falcon 9 first stage booster into the orbit. This aerospace company is belonged to whom? The answer is Elon Musk. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a high-level meeting and reviewed the progress of National Digital Health Mission. It was highlighted a Unified Health Interface UHI will be rolled soon. National Digital Health Mission was launched on last year. It was launched. When it was launched? It was launched on 74th Independence Day. Bashar al-Assad was re-elected as president for the fourth term. He belongs to which country? What is the correct option? The correct option is Syria. World Menstrual Hygiene Day is observed every year on May 28. Menstrual Hygiene Day is a global movement which seeks to normalize menstruation. It was initiated by German non-profit organization Was United. Hong Kong mountaineer Sang Ying Hung recorded world's fastest ascent of Everest by a woman in a record time of just. Options are 27 hours, 24 hours, 25 hours and 50 minutes, 26 hours. The correct option is 25 hours and 15 minutes. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan announced the formation of a secretary-level committee to develop guidelines and recommendations for the implementation of the Smart Kitchen scheme in the state in order to meet LDF commitments. The Smart Kitchen scheme will be launched on options are July 10, 21, June 26, 2021, May 31, 2021, October 3, 2021. The correct option is June 10, 2021. Vesak, the day of the full moon in the month of May, is sacred day of which religion? Options are Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Islam. The correct option is Buddhism. Which ministry is associated with the new social media rules notified in 2021? The correct option is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. One Stop Centers is a flagship scheme of which union ministry? The correct option is Ministry of Women and Child Development. What is the name of the panel set up by WHO and partners to prevent the spread of diseases from animals to humans? The correct option is One Health Panel. Who is the first and only woman in the IAF qualified for the role and as a flight test engineer? The answer is Asrita Violetti. World Hunger Day is celebrated on May 28 by the United Nations. The Global Hunger Index list of 78 countries is released by the International Food Policy Research Institute. What is India's rank in this list? India's rank is 63. The Bureau of Police Research and Development has recommended a unified agency, i.e. integrated law enforcement centers for terrorist attacks, sexual harassment, cybercrime, cross-border crimes. The correct option is cross-border crimes. Recently, the European Union has put sanctions on which country and cut off its aviation links? Options are Finland, France, Belarus, Germany. The correct option is Belarus. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.